That is why we appear to be nutcases. I know that my heroes were powered by this engine. We're putting together this engine for our Halifax. It's number 4 engine, and we got it from England, and just needed to tell you the bad news. This has got stage 3 cancer, rust in all the cylinders. We're taking it apart because it's going to go on our Halifax. We've got 3 running engines. This is maybe number 4. And why would a nutcase like me and my dedicated team, why would we take on a Bearcat like this? Why? Because this is the most important aircraft engine in Canadian aviation history. Okay, see this? I know it's beat to a snot. It's called Bomber Command War Diaries. I use it every day as curator. And in there on page 782 and 783 is the battle efficiency of every bomber group in Bomber Command, including RCAF 6 group. And which bomber group in Bomber Command had the lowest loss rate in combat in the entire war? It's RCAF 6 group. And there's one reason for why they are number 1 in Bomber Command, is this engine. Yes, the Merlin is in there as an important engine, but it's number 2 to the Canadians. This is number 1. And I've been meaning to get this off my chest, that is why we appear to be nutcases. Yes, I've been accused of that several times. However, I know that my heroes were powered by this engine, and it is an honor for myself and my team to make this engine run again. We will not back off. This is the engine that gave us victory. So you guys out there, you now know a little more history. It comes from here, and it comes from here. And we're going to make this baby run come hell or high water. So stick with us. This is Gearhead Heaven 25. There's more of them coming down the pike, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.